know that velocity is equal to delta s by delta t. Delta s means arc length distance, and we also know that delta theta is equal to delta s arc length divided by radius of curvature, and rearranging this, delta s would be equal to delta theta into r. Now putting this equation, let's say this is equation number 2. In equation number 1 we get v is equal to r into delta theta upon delta t. So we know that angular velocity is equal to angular displacement delta theta upon time delta t. So put delta t by delta t is equal to omega in equation number 3. We will get v is equal to r cross omega, and this is the relationship between linear velocity and angular velocity.